Imagine turning simple math into an epic Squid Game challenge. This is no ordinary calculator. This is the Squid Game-themed calculator you didn't know you needed. Bold, dramatic, and fully functional. Want to build something this cool? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to create this masterpiece from scratch. This calculator has everything you need for basic math and more. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, calculate square roots and squares. Plus, its buttons are responsive, making every click satisfying. Let's dive in. Welcome to AkiCodeVerse. Today, I'm excited to share a project that combines creativity and functionality, the Squid Game-themed calculator. I built this calculator using HTML for the structure, CSS for the iconic design, and JavaScript to handle the calculations. The HTML creates the calculator layout with buttons for numbers and functions. CSS gives it the Squid Game theme, complete with a dramatic background and custom button effects. And JavaScript makes everything work, ensuring calculations are smooth and accurate. Now it's your turn. Whether you're learning to code or just want a fun project, building this calculator is a great way to improve your skills. Plus, you can customize it to make it your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AkiCodeVerse, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time with another creative project.